Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Identify your keyboard app and Android version so you know which menus to expect. Once done, back up any custom dictionary or shortcuts you want to keep and enable settings permissions for keyboard changes. If you plan to use a third-party option, download and install it now. Make sure you grant input and full access. Now open the keyboard settings directly from Settings or from the keyboard's own gear icon and prepare to adjust size controls. You'll now change the actual dimensions. In Gboard, go to Preferences, in SwiftKey to Layout, and in Samsung to Keyboard Size. Once there, drag the height or resize slider up gradually. Try increasing by 1/10 increments, around 1 to 1. 3 times is a practical range. Make sure to test typing between adjustments and switch to one-handed or landscape modes to see how larger keys affect reach and visibility. If your app supports custom rows or key spacing, tweak those next. Finish by saving or locking the size and restarting the keyboard app so changes take effect across apps. Once done, test typing, autocorrect, and swipe input. Make sure larger keys don't cause missed presses. If keys overlap or features break, revert to default and reapply smaller increments or clear keyboard cache before retrying. One key troubleshooting tip: if resizing consistently misbehaves, install a different reputable keyboard app to determine whether the issue is system-level or app-specific. Then proceed accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.